On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
So check this out. It has a 1600 milliamp 59.2 watt hour battery, 2000 amp peak for the jump, 150 PSI on the air compressor, and this is the model X5. Spark to life. So the last portable air compressor I had that I keep on my bike in the bag saved the day a few videos back when I was at Macedonia. I figured I want to try out this as a jump starter and an air compressor, booster pack, inflators, and a flashlight. Let's check out what's in the box. Oh, look at this nice semi-soft case this comes with. Pretty nice. Oh, nice long inflator hose.
Don't you dare.
That's what she said. Standard length jumpers. Standard plug. Feels like about 10 gauge wire. Comes with the sport ball inflators and a couple blow-off nozzles, fill nozzles. Charger, which is USB-C, USB-A to USB-C. Operator's manual. Comes with a 12-month warranty. Don't mind my dirty fingernails, been working on that Fiero. And the compressor. Wow, it's pretty good size. There's your jump cable connectors, air hose, input charge, flashlight, and this even has an output. Oh, that's nice. Blue universal USB-A socket. Let's see how it charges. Got the two-tone, so it's fast charging. Doesn't show the current draw or anything, but hey, it's nice to have that. Definitely nice to have that option. So you can charge all your stuff. Well, let's get this charged, and we'll put it to the test. So it says to charge it, use a 5-volt 3-amp fast charger. Plug it in, let it charge up fully. Make sure you have a decent power block if you want it to charge fast. Blue universal USB-A socket. Let's see how it charges. Got the two-tone, so it's fast charging. Doesn't show the current draw or anything, but hey, it's nice to have that. Definitely nice to have that option. So you can charge all your stuff. So let's set this up. It's set bar, KPA, kg/cm squared, or PSI, which we're going to keep it on. And you could set it for the pounds, or you could pick if it's a car, a motorcycle, scooter, inflatable boat, or a basketball. So I guess you got 4 modes you could set it on. Then that's reading the pressure, which is 0 because it's not connected to anything. Once you set it to the pressure you want, hold the OK button. Held it to 53. If you hold the power button, it turns the light on. Not too bad. Long press it to shut off. Pretty neat. It says up to 6 times of a 195/65 R15, 0 to 36 pounds. It says the life of this is 3 to 5 years under optimal conditions. It does come with a 1-year warranty. You could store this 1 to 1.5 years, but it's recommended to charge it every 3 months. I gotta see how this output charges my Samsung. Wait till it's fully charged again. I know it's a 14-inch tire, but I don't have any regular car tires around here. Let's see how many pounds are in this before I let it out. Oh, 39. Overinflated. I think it says 36, probably. 35. So we'll do 35. Old dry rotted tires. It says 36, so we'll go to 35. Hold the OK button. Hit the stopwatch. 15 pounds. Just under 2 minutes. 25 and 3 minutes, 20 seconds. It does have air vents. 30 PSI, 4 minutes. There, 5 minutes. And it was 8 seconds. Not too bad. You know, can't have that huge of a pump in there, of course. Forgot to check the battery level. Yeah, it looks like used 1 bar. Let's see what the microvan tire pressure is supposed to be at. This looks a little low. 24. Huh. They're LT tires too. It says 35 pounds, so let's do 35. These are only 12-inch, so yeah, they definitely were low. $25. Must have put 25 in these. Surprised it doesn't say anywhere what the maximum pressure should be, load, anything. They are from Japan direct. Looks like we're down to 2 bars on a battery. Super Digger 828s, boy. Had them all at 24. This doesn't have the half digits, but normally this will shut off. If you set it for 35, it'll shut off at 35.5, so it must be going to 36. Still got 2 bars of battery. It warmed up a bit. I got a slow leak on mini truck. Let's top this off. 13, yeah. 25. These are 25 diameter on 12-inch rims. And that's it. What do we have left after doing all them tires? 2 out of 3. Oh no, 4. Oh, what's it doing? I don't know what that means. So it says if you used a pump for a long time, stops output and the display flashes continuously. It's the protection circuit. It'll be released after being placed at room temperature for a period of time. So I overheated it, boys. Is it coming on yet? Oh, well, that was quick. In the time it took me to get the manual out, and look what the problem was. It cooled itself back off. It did get pretty warm. The pump is down in this area. Get out my infrared. See what we get for temperature readings here. That must be where the electric motor is, and that must be where the pump is right there. 127. I guess it's good that it has a thermal shut off. It does get quite warm in there, doesn't it? The battery must be this way. Did cool off a little, but hopefully I caught it on the camera here, because this app locked up. The battery on this from sitting does get low, but it's not dead. And when I tell you these jump boxes make these old jump boxes pretty much worthless, I'm not kidding. So this has 2 bars left out of 4, so it's half full. Take the air hose off, which is longer than I've typically seen, 17.5 inches. That's what she said. I'm gonna try this. It does have reverse hookup protection too. So that's green. Sounds like it's doing it automatic. Let me get the meter. This is a good battery without the booster on it. Pulls down to 8 volts. If you guys can see that. Well, it's lower now because I'm draining it. I'll hook these cables up to it. Oh yeah, see, puts it up to 14.2 volts. So let's see. Much better. Holds it pretty good. Way better. We take them back off. Heats them elements up in there. This is a resistive load. Oh yeah, look at the difference. Hook the booster back up. That's crazy. Jeez, those are hot too. Wow, that's hot. Let that baby cool off. Kill the battery. Oh yeah, we pulled it down to 1. And the reason that this little thing is so much better than that is because that's got a 12 volt battery in it. So when you jump a 12 volt battery, you're going to get the amperage. This puts 14.2 volts. Just like you're running a car and trying to jump a car. So this, being able to go to 14.2 volts and having up to 2,000 amps is way better than them old jump packs. $12 volts. And raised it up a little bit. That's fully charged, but watch. See the difference? How about we hook it directly to the jump pack? I think the battery's been getting weak in this old jump pack anyway. Oh yeah. That jump pack's no better than that battery right now. But you understand what I'm saying about the voltage difference. And being at 14.2 volts, that's what your charging system puts out. So that makes it safe as far as jumping on a car. I'm not even going to use this anymore. Not to mention, that's probably 40 pounds. Where this weighs I forget what it is. I think it's about 3 pounds. I'll show you the difference on the mini truck. I'll do it first without the booster, and you can hear it turn over. This is what it sounds like without the boost pack. Now I'll hook the boost pack up. Big difference, right? Haven't started a mini in a while. My supercharged mini truck. See, then it goes to green once the voltage is up and it's running, so it knows not to boost it. Still 1 bar out of 4. This thing works great. So what do I think? I'm going to keep this in the bag so I can fill tires and jump batteries. Way better than them old boost packs that have a battery in them. If you don't have one, it's like a fire extinguisher. When you need it, you'll want one. So I have the links down below. Thanks for watching the videos. Mini thanks you. And let me know what you think. I try to give my 100% honest opinion on my reviews.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.